This is step 7, which is assembly of the wood pieces we have cut and drilled holes till now. So first select wood bar 1 and wood bar 2. Remember, wood bar 1 and wood bar 2 are not identical, though the number of the wood bars are in chronological order. They are not identical. So the identical wood pieces are wood bar 1 and wood bar 3, wood bar 2 and wood bar 4. So wood bar 1, wood bar 3 are one pair which are identical. Wood bar 2 and wood bar 4 are another pair which are identical. Now we have selected wood bar 1 and wood bar 2 for the assembly. So here we have a small step to be done, that is the hole 4 of wood bar 1. So this is hole 4 of wood bar 1. This is hole 4 of wood bar 1 and hole 4 of wood bar 2. So this is the hole 4 of wood bar 2. So what here it is said that wood bar 4, the hole 4 of wood bar 1 and hole 4 of wood bar 2 should be on the same line. So here comes hole 4 of wood bar 1 and hole 4 of wood bar 2 should be on the same line. So we have made them on the same line, make them in the same line, so you can see. And also hole 4 of hole 5 of wood bar 1. So this is wood bar 1 and it's hole 5, and this is wood bar 2 and it's hole 3. So wood bar 1 hole 5 should be on the same line like of wood bar 2's hole 3. So I think it is a bit visible. You can also zoom in. So hole 4 of wood bar 1 and hole 4 of wood bar 2 are on the same line, and also hole 5 of wood bar 1 and hole 3 of wood bar 2 are on the same line. So now what we have to do is we need to take a bolt. The bolt is of 3 mm in diameter, and is 8 centimeters long. 3 mm diameter and 8 centimeters long. So these kind of wood bolts, we need some 8 or 7, and 7 3s are 21. So we need 21 bolt nuts. So I'm inserting a bolt into hole 4 of wood bar 1, and I'm also inserting a bolt into hole 5 of wood bar 1. And now a pair of nuts should be inserted into the two bolts, one nut to one bolt, and we need to tighten them so that the wood bar doesn't move from its position. So I'm just tightening the screws. So before actually tightening them, you need to make some loose. So now the bolt passing through hole 4 of wood bar 1 should go into hole 4 of wood bar 2, and the bolt passing through hole 5 of wood bar 1 should go into hole 3 of wood bar 2. So we can before doing that, we need to again insert one nut to each bolt so as to fix the position of wood bar 2. The first pair of nuts we have inserted is to tighten the wood bar 1, and the second set is used to tighten the wood bar 2. So we are just fixing. Sometimes what happens is the nut becomes an obstacle, and also sometimes the bolt. So what we have to do is we need to just we need to screw it up the screwdriver. Otherwise the the wood bar won't be coming down, so we need to just tighten it. So I'm just tightening the screw so that it comes down. So I'm just tightening the screw. So it came like that, and also we need to tighten the other bolt present in hole 4 of wood bar 1. So now I can tighten the first set of nuts. So I've just tightened the first set of nuts. You can also use a cutting plier or a wrench to tighten them. And now I will just move the wood bar 2 a bit up. So I can do that actually with the cutting plier. So it just came a bit up. So you can also screw this up and make it a bit tight, and or else we can also loosen the bolt first. This is a bit irritating task, though. We need to make sure that the position of the two wood bars are at the extreme ends of the bolts. So what I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to make the wood bar go a slight up towards the end. So I think it's enough. Now I am doing the same with another wood bar, just making the wood bar go a little up. So I think that's enough. A few rotations more. So now I'm done with the positions, and now I'm just tightening the screws. Now I'm inserting another pair of nuts. So I've just inserted another pair of nuts. So this constitutes frame 1. So the frame 1 has wood bar 1 and wood bar 2. So the a bolt from hole 4 of wood bar 1 passes through hole 4 of wood bar 2, and a bolt from hole 5 of wood bar 1 passes through hole 3 of wood bar 2 located on side 2. So this is frame 1. So we need to repeat the same procedure for wood bar 3 and wood bar 4. So that constitutes frame 2. So we can see the assembly of the wood bar 4 and wood bar 3. So as said, the hole 4 of wood bar 3, a bolt from hole 4 of wood bar 3 should pass through hole 4 of wood bar 3 into hole 4 of wood bar 4. So I've just entered 2 bolts into hole 4 and hole 5 of wood bar 3, and I'm just inserting a pair of nuts to the pair of bolts. I'm not tightening it now. Now what I'm doing is I'm just inserting so before we actually do this, I just I just forgot to give the give a pair of nuts again. So we need to enter a pair of nuts again to the two bolts. So just do not tighten them anywhere, but after entering them we need to make the wood bar 4 drive inside. So we need to tighten it up with the help of the screwdriver. It shouldn't be too much inside. A small place for the nut should be given. So I'm just driving it back. So there should be a synchronization between the two bolts, so that the wood bar will be locked at the same place. So this one is good. Okay, so we need to enter the third pair of the nuts. So I'm entering the third pair of I'm inserting the third pair of nuts. Third pair of nuts are inserted, and this forms the frame 2, and I'm just tightening each and every bolt. So this forms frame 2. This forms frame 2. Now this frame 1 and frame 2 are to be the same procedure. We need to insert bolts and nuts so as to join these two frames. So I'm inserting a bolt into hole 2 of wood bar. I can make a small change. So first what I do is I insert a bolt into hole 2 of wood bar 1 and bolt 3 of a bolt into hole 2 of wood bar 1 and a bolt into hole 3 of wood bar 1, and also a bolt into hole 2 of wood bar 2. And now I insert a pair of one nut to each bolt. So and again a pair of again we need to insert the second set of nuts to all the 3 bolts. So now I have inserted the second set of nuts. And now what I do is the same. The bolt through hole 2 of wood bar 1 should go into hole 2 of wood bar 3, and hole 3 of wood bar 1 should go into hole 3 of wood bar 3, and hole 2 of wood bar 2 should go into hole 2 of wood bar 4. So I'm just inserting it, so you can see it here. So just inserting the wood bar into position. This is a bit tough job, but I think it becomes easy when you tighten or loose the bolt so as to make the wood bar come into position. So I'm just tightening the bolts. Sometimes because of small bends on the bolts, the nuts become a bit rough, and so we need to make sure that the bolts are not bent. So I'm inserting the next set of nuts to the bolts so as to fix the frame 2 into a position. So you can manage to make two frames combined into a single one. So this is the one which we made. So this one is the shoulder half and this one is the elbow half. So this finishes the assembly part, that is step 7.